Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by giving the virtual desktop the resources it needs. You should increase RAM to at least 4 GB or about 1/2 of what your host can spare, and assign 2 or more vCPUs. This reduces swapping and CPU contention. Once done, enable hardware acceleration like GPU pass-through or virtual 3D, and install the vendor guest drivers so graphics and compositing run on hardware rather than fall back to slow software rendering. Make sure virtualization features are enabled in BIOS. Next, optimize both host and guest settings to reduce latency and I/O waits. On both systems, set the power plan to high performance so clocks stay high. This prevents sudden slowdowns. If possible, use an SSD and pre-allocate the VM disk image and enable trim to avoid fragmentation. Tune the guest desktop by lowering screen resolution, turning off visual effects, and disabling background apps or services you don't need, which frees CPU and GPU cycles for active tasks. Finish by addressing networking and housekeeping. Configure bridged networking or NAT with CoS so remote desktop traffic is prioritized and packet loss is minimized. That reduces perceived input lag. Then clean up the VM, delete old snapshots, clear temp files, and ensure hypervisor and guest tools are up to date. If you still see stutters, watch host resource spikes in real time and try an alternate display protocol. These checks isolate whether the issue is network, GPU, or CPU bound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.